problem usually occurs when users try to activate the print function for some documents and Windows cannot load this file, which is responsible for this kind of activity. First, let's check if there are any updates for your Windows. Click on Windows button, then click on Settings. In newly open window, click on Updates and Security and then on Check for Updates button. Wait for the process to finish. Now let's check and uninstall some Windows updates. Click on Windows button, then click on Settings. In newly open window, click on Updates and Security option. Then click on View Update History and once there, click on Uninstall Updates. Look through installed updates. If you have the updates with the codes that are displayed, uninstall them to fix the issue. And restart your computer. For this method we will register this file using Microsoft Register Server. Right-click on Windows button, select Command Prompt Admin. In Command Prompt environment, type in the displayed commands one by one, each followed by pressing Enter. After that, restart your PC. This is not a fix, but if you are desperate, this will help to print the files you want. Using your web browser, go to the given website. Then click on Print function and select Upload File to print. Then click to select a file from your computer. In newly open window, navigate to your file, select it and click Open button. Then choose the printer that you want to use and then activate the print function. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.